Still struggling with rough cuts, wasted time, and tools that slow you down? These 30 trending woodworking tools on Amazon for 2026 are built to fix that. Cleaner cuts, faster builds, and pro-level results without the frustration. Some of these tools are absolute game changers, and you probably haven't seen them yet. Welcome to Consumer Heaven. Let's upgrade your workshop. Bora Universal Mobile Base. Heavy machines don't have to stay heavy. This adjustable mobile base lets you move table saws, workbenches, and bulky tools effortlessly. With a 400-pound capacity and swivel casters, it turns any stationary tool into a smooth rolling workstation, perfect for small shops where space matters. It also locks firmly in place for stability during use. The steel frame adds long-term durability. Setup takes only minutes with basic tools. Trend Adjustable Miter Saw Roller Stand. Long boards are awkward unless you've got this. The height adjusts precisely to support lumber during cuts, preventing tipping or uneven angles. Compact but sturdy, it's a must-have for accuracy and safety. The rollers glide smoothly without scratching wood. Its folding design saves storage space, great for both job sites and home workshops. The frame stays stable even with heavy boards. It's a reliable helper for solo cutting tasks. Compact Table Saw Miter Gauge. If your cuts are slightly off, this upgrade fixes that fast. With a 360mm fence, flip stop, and preset angle stops, it gives repeatable precision cuts that look machine perfect every time. The solid build minimizes vibration. Angle markings are easy to read. It's a major upgrade from stock gauges. The glide action feels smooth and controlled. It boosts both speed and confidence while cutting. It's built for long-term workshop reliability. Saker 42-in-1 Magnetic Screwdriver Set. One handle, 42 possibilities. This ratcheting kit covers furniture, electronics, bikes, and workshop repairs. Magnetic bits keep screws from slipping, saving time and frustration. The case keeps everything organized. Bits swap quickly with a simple pull. It's perfect for everyday fixes and detailed work. The ratchet mechanism feels solid and precise. It's compact enough to carry anywhere. It's a toolbox essential for every DIYer. Mini Multifunction Table Saw. Tiny but mighty, this compact saw cuts, sands, and grinds with adjustable depth, speed, and angle. Ideal for hobbyists, model makers, and detailed craftwork where full-size saws are overkill. Its small footprint fits any desk. The motor runs surprisingly smooth. It's great for precision miniature projects. Controls are simple to understand. It's perfect for beginners and pros alike. It's a versatile tool for creative workspaces. SKL 13-amp Reciprocating Saw. Built for demolition and aggressive cuts, this saw uses vibration-reducing tech so you stay in control. It slices through wood, metal, or plastic like it's nothing. The grip is comfortable for long jobs. Blade changes are quick and tool-free. It's powerful enough for professional tasks. The trigger response feels precise. It handles tough materials without slowing down. It's made for heavy-duty performance. DIY Digital Engraving Machine. This is where DIY meets digital precision. With closed-loop stepper motors and a touchscreen interface, you can engrave wood, acrylic, or aluminum with pro-level accuracy right from your bench. The interface is beginner-friendly. Motion is smooth and highly accurate. It opens endless creative possibilities. The build quality feels premium. It's a smart upgrade for serious makers. It's ideal for turning ideas into reality. SKL Variable Speed Scroll Saw. For intricate curves and artistic cuts, this scroll saw delivers smooth control and visibility thanks to its LED work light. Perfect for decorative woodworking and detail patterns. Speed adjusts easily for different materials. The table stays stable during cuts. Ideal for craft and hobby projects. Blade tensioning is simple and fast. It produces very clean, precise edges. It's perfect for detailed craftsmanship. Neotech Digital Dial Indicator Gauge. Precision alignment can make or break a project. This digital gauge ensures your saws and machines are calibrated perfectly, eliminating guesswork and improving cut accuracy. The display is clear and easy to read. Measurements are highly precise. It's essential for serious woodworkers. Setup is quick and straightforward. It instantly improves machine performance. It's a must-have for precision setups. Gartle miter shears. Forget bulky saws for trim work. These adjustable shears slice clean angles from 45 degrees to 135 degrees, making them ideal for molding, PVC, and light wood cuts with zero splintering. The blade is razor sharp. Adjustments lock securely. It's fast and incredibly convenient. Cuts come out neat every time. It's perfect for detail finishing work. It delivers professional look results instantly. It's a must-have for trim precision. Root edge banding trimmer. Clean edges separate amateur work from pro results. This trimmer handles straight, curved, and beveled edges, trimming veneer and PVC smoothly without tearing. The grip feels comfortable. Blades stay sharp longer. Results look clean and factory finished. It works smoothly along edges. It saves time on sanding and finishing. It's essential for clean furniture builds. It helps achieve flawless final touches. Cordless nailer. This cordless nailer fires precise brads instantly, perfect for trim, cabinetry, and tight spaces where bulky tools fail. It's lightweight yet powerful. Depth adjustment is simple. Battery life easily lasts through projects. The trigger feels responsive. It delivers consistent nail depth every shot. It speeds up assembly work dramatically. It's designed for efficient workflow. FLK Tech Pipe Clamp Fixture Set. Clamping large panels can be a nightmare. These heavy-duty pipe clamps apply even pressure across wide boards, keeping glue up straight and secure. The cast iron build is rugged. Release handles work smoothly. They're ideal for panel glue-ups. Pressure stays evenly distributed. They hold projects firmly in place. They're built for serious workshop use. They provide dependable clamping strength. Jess Clear Cut TS Stock Guides. These roller guides hold wood firmly against your table saw fence, improving safety and producing cleaner, straighter cuts. Once you try them, you won't want to cut without them. Installation is simple. The rollers move smoothly. Accuracy improves instantly. They reduce kickback risk. They make long rip cuts easier. They enhance overall cutting control. They help maintain consistent feed pressure. Isarc Japanese Teeth Reciprocating Blades. Designed with aggressive curved teeth, these blades cut faster and smoother through wooden branches. Ideal for pruning or rough cutting tasks, the steel stays sharp longer. Cuts feel effortless. They're built for heavy use. Vibration stays minimal. Performance remains consistent over time. Plastic tubing cutter. Ever wish cutting plastic pipes felt cool? Meet the plastic tubing cutter. This beast chops through up to 2-inch pipes like butter. With 400 cuts per charge, LED lights for dark corners, and dual cutting modes, it's 3 times faster than your old cutter and 10 times more fun to use. Pipe deburring tool. The pipe deburring tool offers advanced performance, handling pipes up to 33% larger and 60% more material types. It features a variable speed switch, rust-resistant blades, and inner-outer deburring functions for smooth results. It ensures precise, durable, and safe operation across a wide range of applications. Impact driver. Tired of stubborn screws laughing at your old driver? Meet the impact driver, the torque monster that's 66% stronger and 63% faster. With 3-speed control, variable trigger, and a wild 2,500 inch-pounds of torque, it doesn't just drive screws, it scares them into place. Grab a lifter. Lifting heavy stuff? Forget the grunt work. The Grow lifter sucks up to 265 pounds like a pro, sticking to tiles, glass, or metal with ease. With smart pressure sensors, LED display, lift hooks, and a low battery alert, it's the vacuum-powered hero, saving your back one lift at a time. Concrete nailer. The concrete nailer is a gas-free, battery-powered tool that delivers consistent power for concrete and steel applications. It features adjustable pin depth, a brushless motor with up to 600 shots per charge, dual LED work lights, and a 33-pin magazine offering fast, versatile, and reliable performance without fuel cells. Wet Center Core Drill Bit Set. The 3-speed core drill kit is designed for tough see-in jobs, making holes up to 6 3/8 inches in reinforced concrete. It features a 3-speed gear selector for better control and an anti-rotation system for safety. The drill works in tight spaces for clean pipe pass-throughs and includes wireless tool control for managing water. Concrete Power Screed Kit. Say goodbye to lumpy concrete. The Concrete Power Screed Kit smooths and levels like a pro, hitting up to 7,800 VPM with 180-degree rotating handles for comfy control. Cordless and compatible with multiple bars and boards, it turns tough finishing jobs into a breeze. Your concrete has never looked this good. Core Drill Bit Holder Kit. Tight space? No problem. The Core Drill Bit Holder Kit locks your 60V 6 3/8 inch drill in place with a vacuum base, adjustable angles from -5 degrees to +45 degrees, and quick height tweaks. Slim design, removable wheels, and top water control make wet drilling easy. It's like giving your drill a VIP setup. Vibrators shake things up. The Power Shift Vibrator Kit powers through concrete with 12,000 VPM and a 2¼ inch head, making tough pours effortless. Durable roll cage, wireless control, quick change heads, and a handy carry strap keep you moving. Low battery alerts mean no surprises. It's concrete work made smooth and stress-free. Aviation Snips. The Ergo Aviation Snip is designed for cutting tough materials like aluminum, vinyl siding, cardboard, leather, copper, and 18 to 22 gauge sheet metal with 15% less muscle effort. Its serrated cutting edge prevents slipping, while the slip-resistant grip ensures comfort and control. Pro Adhesive Anchors. The Pro Adhesive Anchors are designed for use with standard threaded rods on concrete and masonry. Approved by ETA for M8 to M24 rods under static and quasi-static loading. The cartridge design allows multiple uses with an extra mixing nozzle for quick and simple installation. XR Nailer Stapler. The XR Nailer Stapler features a compact, lightweight, and ergonomic design for comfortable use while remaining durable for job site conditions. It offers sequential mode for precise placement and bump mode for fast operation, reaching up to 4 nails per second. The brushless motor ensures low maintenance and up to 57% longer life than conventional brush motors. Critical Connection Undercut Anchors. The DeWalt Critical Connection Undercut Anchor is a post-installed structural anchor for static, dynamic, and seismic loads in cracked or uncracked concrete. Available in carbon and stainless steel, it installs into a fixed depth hole with a specialty drill bit, providing strong load transfer, close edge spacing, and enhanced shear capacity. Water Pressure Washer. Blast away grime like a pro. The water pressure washer packs 3,400 psi at 2.5 GPM with a 208cc engine and pressure-ready tech for hassle-free setup. Quick start trigger, LED smart panel, and a maintenance-free pump make decks, patios, and siding sparkle. Cleaning has never been this satisfying or this fun. 9-inch cutoff saw. The 9-inch cutoff saw delivers powerful battery-powered performance for concrete and masonry cutting without the hassles of gas. It features a dual-sided water delivery system for OSHA-compliant dust management, a rotatable 5-position guard for optimal visibility in tight spaces, and a latched sealed battery box for protection. So, which tool just leveled up your workshop? Drop it in the comments. I read every one. If you want smarter tools and pro-level results, hit like, subscribe to Consumer Heaven, and turn on notifications. All the best deals are linked below. Go upgrade your setup. Work smarter, build better. See you in the next one.